That's the top of Mount Rainier. It's February 11th, 2025. And it's 9:30 in the morning. And it's about 16 degrees out. So I'll run down and feed these animals. Enjoy the sunshine while we still have it. Even though it is cold. It doesn't feel as cold with the sun out. Got a bit of ice out there. Morning, piggies. Alright, got all the animals fed their breakfast. Yeah, mighty cold down here. It's not so bad out here in the sun though. There's a block of ice for one of the water dishes I put out there, I don't know, a week ago, maybe more than that. Still froze. Yeah, it is a very, very pretty day. Here it is, 16 degrees. And Sally's eating ice. Silly dog. I'm gonna get back in the house because it's cold out here. I can't wait till spring.